ChatGPT is an open source version of the GPT language model developed by OpenAI. But what exactly is OpenAI and how did they develop this GPT language model? So for those of you who aren't familiar, OpenAI is a research organization that was founded back in 2015 with the goal of advancing artificial intelligence in a safe and responsible manner. And since then, they've made major strides in AI research and development, including the development of the GPT language model, which we know through ChatGPT. This GPT language model is a type of machine learning that can generate human-like text, and it does this by pre-training on a massive data set of text and then fine-tuning it on a specific task, such as a translation or a summarization. The result of this is that this model can generate high-quality text. It's very difficult to distinguish from real-life humans. So ChatGPT is what we all have seen on social media as of recently and was become very popular, with amassing millions of users in a very short period of time. And ChatGPT is this open source version of the GPT language model, which means that anyone can build on it, anyone can use it. And actually, this entire intro to the video was written by ChatGPT. So the big question now is, what can you do with ChatGPT moving forward to actually make money? With the business landscape becoming ever more competitive, it's becoming hard to make money and differentiate yourselves when you're an entrepreneur. So in today's video, I want to go over 7 of the best AI businesses you can start using ChatGPT. These would only take a matter of hours or a few days to start, and then all you'd have to do is start reaching out to clients, acquiring clients, and you could easily be earning 7 or 8 figures every single year. So the first business is going to be a content generation service. This is like a social media content marketing agency. And if you're not convinced by the start of this video where I used ChatGPT to entirely script out the introduction, well, there are a few other things you could also do with it. Not only can you write scripts for YouTube using ChatGPT, but you can also have it generate articles, blog posts, and any other written content on a variety of different topics. It doesn't matter if you personally are well knowledgeable about a certain topic, you can have ChatGPT write any sort of article for your clients. And all you need to do is start reaching out to clients via email, on Twitter, over Instagram, and you could charge them a few $1,000s each month to simply help generate content. You can translate YouTube videos into articles. You can help script YouTube videos. There are so many opportunities for written content with ChatGPT. The second is going to be with chatbot service for customer support. With ChatGPT, you can ultimately build out chatbots that can handle a variety of different customer inquiries, complaints, and other interactions. These take a little bit more time to actually get started with because you have to know a little bit about coding, but again, you can simply ask ChatGPT how to do it, how to build a chatbot. But with a customer service chatbot, this is ultimately a great way for businesses to improve their customer service and reduce the workload for human customer service agents. So you can approach different e-commerce stores, different businesses you know, and help build out this chatbot entirely with ChatGPT. And this could help earn you a significant amount of income when implemented properly. The third is going to be a language translation service. Many people, when they think of language translation, they look at Google Translate, they look at hiring an in-person translator, but with ChatGPT, it has access to a wide spread of knowledge. And ChatGPT ultimately can be used to build a real-time translation service for text and spoken language. This could be a valuable tool for businesses, it could be a valuable tool for business professionals, and ultimately anyone looking to expand into international markets. And especially as the world continues to grow and continues to become more and more global, this is very important for individuals who need to communicate with people and that speak different languages. So that is the third. The fourth is going to be with a personal assistant service. With ChatGPT, you can ultimately use it to build a personal assistant app. And this is a little more complicated, again, as it does require some coding, but nothing ChatGPT can't handle. And with a personal assistant service, ChatGPT can ultimately help users with tasks like scheduling, finding information, making recommendations, and this is a valuable tool for any busy professional or person that is looking to streamline their daily tasks. The next is going to be an AI-powered customer service platform. ChatGPT ultimately can be used to build a customer service platform that uses AI to handle inquiries, complaints, interactions, and any other thing that a business might come across. This could be a great way for businesses to improve their customer service and reduce the workload for human customer service agents. So again, this is a very useful tool, some of which requires a little bit more time and a little bit more energy, but very important nonetheless. Next up is going to be editing essays. Right now, there are many students out there, many people in university, high school, middle school, all different ages. And with ChatGPT, you can use its AI to make corrections, make recommendations to essays. And last up is going to be a copywriting service. So right now, there are plenty of different copywriting services out there and different copywriting agencies that make tens of thousands of dollars every single month. But ChatGPT streamlines this industry entirely, and it ultimately allows you to build a service that generates unique copyright compliant content for businesses. And whether you're talking about an email, article, blog post, a social media post, or any other written content on any topic, ChatGPT can easily write you, and you can consistently make edits with ChatGPT for any written content. This is a way to generate significant income as an agency, as it's going to, first of all, not only reduce the time it takes for you to do the material yourself, but also it's done on any topic. So whether you're knowledgeable about the brand or not, you can very well just input a few keywords about the brand, what they do, a few sentences, and ChatGPT can write different offers and different content for you instantly. So with ChatGPT, I hope this has given you some ideas of how you can use it to generate tens of thousands of dollars each month. If you utilize it properly, you have a few good marketing strategies and customer acquisition strategies in place, you could easily be making 7-8 figures every single year.